today we're going to have with us Irving, which is a current student of us. Hi, Irving, how are you?
I'm fine.
So can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your background?
Sure. So I graduated from UNO, marketing degree, finished my MBA and taught at the university in the marketing department for a couple of semesters. Went on to a career as vice president of a major company and retired. So now I'm doing some marketing consulting.
Got you, got you. And if I may, what motivated you to sign up for the course?
I've always been interested in the markets and followed the markets, of course, primarily, with my 401k and my investments, and did a little bit going back to CompuServe days when they had a simulator on CompuServe and did some simulated trading on that. But I've always been interested in the markets and interested in learning how to trade and read the charts and, do all of the things that you're supposed to do in order to trade the market properly.
Got you, got you. And so specifically about this course, right? Because that's basically what the course is all about, right? Has
Right.
this course met or exceeded your expectations so far?
Yeah, so far it's exceeded my expectations. I've learned a great deal from the course material and then a significant amount through the application and through the Discord channel that's open where we can review what our trades are, look at the analysis, do the analysis together, review the analysis against other people's analysis and other people's trades and your analysis, which basically has helped significantly in learning how to apply all of the knowledge that has come from the course material.
Got you. Well, one last question for you. Did you ever take any other investment or trading course before? And if so, is this course any different?
No, I've never taken any trading courses before. I've always been hesitant to take trading courses, and you really jumped at the opportunity to take this course because it was coming from a source that, I trusted, that didn't, wasn't promoting an agenda, if you will. And, having the course coming from the finance department at the University of New Orleans lends a lot of credibility to the course itself. And, I guess I've just been hesitant to, jump in on any of the other trading courses that are out there because, I'm not really sure if they're promoting an agenda or not. And the opportunity showed to take this course from UNO, and I thought it was just the right thing to do.
Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate your honesty and your comments. And I'm very happy that you are thriving in this course, and I'm sure you're going to get away a great deal with it. Thank you so much for being part of this testimonial, and have a good day.
Okay. Thank you.
You.